Yeah, I'm a furry as well.
Yeah.
So, like on the rave, it can get a little bit of sexual. So you're recording now.
Hey guys, let's go. I've just borrowed this Aprilia. It's a RS457 and we're gonna ride it around the city. And the rumor is there's a furry convention going on and we are the furries. So we're gonna ride into Malmö Center right now and see if we can shoot one of them, you know, go hunting. Bring home some meat for the grill. I hope the microphone isn't clipping. I have it set like right here. Should be good. Yeah, baby. I hope I'm not breathing on you this whole ride. I will try and not to breathe, you know? It is really cold out. It says 8 degrees, but I don't believe it. I think it's like 5, 6 at the best. All right, we have quick shifter up and down. That's awesome. Okay, let's try the quick shifter. Yeah, rain mode. How do I turn off the rain mode? Rain. Oh. I wanna do wheelies. Wheelies for my feelies. Wheelie boys. I can't do wheelies. I'm trying to figure it out. This is chaotic, man. I wanted to go with them, but they are going the wrong way. I'm stuck in rain mode.
Whoa!
Oh, I think I disabled traction control. Oh, I think we got it. Okay, we are still stuck in rain mode, but I have disabled traction control, so I think I can do wheelies now. Okay, show your parents this part. No, you can't wheel this thing. It's very slow. Very safe first bike, but it looks good. So you should get one as your first bike. So, have your parents stopped watching? Okay, yeah, you can wheelie this bike. It's super fun. If you're getting the A2 license, heck yeah. Your turn signals, my guy. What? Fucking idiot. So this is for the stock exhaust. I don't know how much you can hear it. I turned off noise cancelling on the microphone, so maybe that's a great idea, or maybe it's a horrible idea. We will find out. Haha! Wheelies! Man, I can see why they pulled that guy over. Those headlights do not look factory spec. Yeah, I'm incognito. The police have no idea who I am when I'm on this bike. And especially with this helmet cover.
Why was he having fucking blue headlights? Fucking retard. I need to delete some shit in my memory card. I think it's full.
Nice. You still have my memory card.
Oh yeah, that's right. But that's mine now.
No! This guy borrowed my memory card ages ago. And never gave it back. Hey brother! You fucked him up! Oh! Hey brother! Oh my god! They're just walking around like this is a safari. It's safari, dude! What are those? Playing the bongo?
We found the shoe.
I'm afraid I will get molested.
You will.
What if I don't want to?
Well, they want to.
I'm disturbed by how many old men I see. Let me guys know what you think in the comments. Is this just a big pervert thing or what? Oh, he's touching it. Oh my god. Huh? 5,500?
Yeah, euro. The bike.
You can get a clapped bike for that. They really like his bike. I think it's because it's shiny. I'm so glad I have my visor down. I'm like incognito. Let me know in the comments, like, are you guys furries? Are you into this? What do you think this is? Is it just innocent child's play? Or is it very perverted stuff? That guy, I think, is on drugs. He's just dancing like a mouse. Is that drugs?
Is that some cocaine business?
Cocaine business?
Yeah.
I don't want to say that no drugs are happening.
I think we should keep riding. This is kind of scary, dude. I just feel really...
I'll just delete some footage, then we can go.
I feel like somebody walking in on their parents doing freaky shit. Like, we shouldn't be here. This isn't for us. Yeah, sure. Sure.
Is this a dealer bike?
Yeah, I can make it retarded. There we go. It's a new model for 2025. Huh? No.
No. No, it's not electric. What the fuck? I was racing. Oh, there. Ah, electric?
Electric?
I don't know.
Do you know a lot about this stuff?
Yeah, I'm a furry as well.
Yeah.
So it's like a convention once in a year.
How high is the percentage of people where this is like a fetish? Like, is it more child play and innocent, or is it more just like a sex thing?
Some people do it, yeah, I don't know, like on the rave it can get a little bit of sexual, but for some people it's like a therapy because they can express themselves in their suit because they are like too anxious to be themselves like a human, but if they get on suit, yeah, they change.
Do they know that they can just put on a helmet with a tinted visor and break traffic laws?
Yeah, but if you make a little mistake, it can cost your life. You are not like first. You just came here and see what's going on.
Yeah, I'm doing a first ride for YouTube on this bike right now.
Oh, for YouTube. So you're recording now. Damn, no.
Oh, you got caught. You all got caught in 4K.
Were you guys here last year as well?
He was. he like blew up on TikTok. Oh shit. Those eyes look too real. What the fuck? Why his eyes look real though?
Because it's a realistic suit.
That's scary though. Where'd they go? Oh shit. Man, I got really nervous around those guys. Maybe this isn't the most complete first ride, but this isn't a review, it's a first ride of the bike and furries. And it's a fun bike. It's very nimble. Comparing this to getting something bigger like the 660 and then restricting it, I just think this is way more fun. It has a quick shifter up and down. I don't really care about having only an up quick shift because you can learn to do that by your like manually just blipping. Down though, that's a lot of fun. Oh, yeah, I'm cold. I gotta get home and edit this together to make sure you guys get a new video every week. Also, this is just a voiceover for legal reasons. There's a totally different guy riding. I just found this footage online. The perverts are back in town. Oh, sport. I found the button, guys. Sport with traction control disabled. Oh my god. Oh my god, okay. This is more fun than I remembered. I was like, it's nice, you know, it's nice. It's fast. It's fun. Oh, yeah, now we're having fun. Sport, Echo, ATC Sport. The only thing I'm missing on this is the cruise control from the 660. That's a clutch feature, especially if you're riding when it's cold. You can hide your left hand behind your back to heat it up a bit. Then you can steer with the left and put your right behind your back. Oh, she fast. Or he. Yeah, I can see myself as an 18-year-old getting this bike, crashing it a few times. No. No. That thing is not even cute. Boom, boom, boom. When it comes to seat height on this thing, I will try and give you some facts. I tell people I'm 6 foot, but I'm like 5'11", 5'10", and I can put both my feet down comfortably. I gotta get back to work, dude. So let's do a recap while we're just cruising here of who this bike is for and what I think about it. Some may be deterred by the price, but if you're looking at the new market and you want something special, something fully equipped that's capable, this is it, man. And honestly, if I lived in the city, I could see myself as an experienced rider just wanting one of these, because it's more fun than the 660, just beeping around town like this, braking, gassing, shifting. You get more experience for your money. And it's way more fun to ride a slow bike fast than a fast bike slow. I promise you. It has riding modes, which can be good. Like if you're really a beginner, rain mode is a good place to start. Traction control for slippery days. ABS. I mean, you can turn the traction control off, so you could do burnouts, you can do wheelies. I'm trying to sum up this bike in just a few sentences, and it's hard. I really think you should try one. Oh yeah, baby. Like, it's a sport bike. It's not a super sport bike, but it is a sport bike. I just left him in the dust. That was so fun. Get this bike on some twisty roads and you will have a lot of fun. Oh, it's so fun. Then again, I like most bikes. I really like bikes in general. I think as long as you pick a good bike and you pick the bike you want, you will be happy. There is no best bike. A huge part is how the bike makes you feel. It's not like a 600 that can really kill you. You don't have to be afraid of this bike. It's just more innocent fun, you know? It's like go-karts. Showing the co-workers some wheelies. My boss is in there, by the way, so not gonna go too crazy. Oh no. Good shit. My boss is the best. Vi blev omringade. Av furries. De ville ha sex med han. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.